So my character is the character of Neha. She's a married woman, and her life is circled with a lot of chaos in her life. Okay, and she lands up getting in a lot of troubles and hurdles, and why she lands up where she lands up is a big mystery. And what happens, why it happens, is something that you definitely need to watch the series and figure out कि नेहा के साथ ऐसा क्यों होता है. It's a great character. She's neither extremely good, she's neither very, very bad or bitchy, but she is who she is, and probably situations are such that makes her a great character or how she is. So, yeah, I mean, preparation wise, yes, I did put on a lot of weight in between because I was not working out, and then I had to get back to fitness. I had to start working out because this character was also about fitness, and Neha is an extremely fit girl where she works out religiously. She goes to the gym religiously, and this was me, Tina, as a person in real life as well, who loves fitness. Just to stay fit, not to be a certain shape or a size or a figure, but to stay fit not only physically but mentally as well. And that's why I used to practice a lot of yoga and Pilates, and I still do. Pole dancing also, I enjoy doing pole dancing. So yeah, these are some of the fitness that I enjoy personally. So yeah, so preparation wise, I think I had to get back into my fitness, and of course I had to sit with my director a lot and discuss about the character. Because I was kind of nervous because this was my first time that I'm portraying a grey character, out and out grey character, which is completely negative. So yeah, that's all about it. Because the storyline was very intriguing, sir, and it was a crime thriller. It was a very different concept, something that I've not done ever before. So that was the excitement, and it was also written and directed by Amit Khanna, who's a very dear friend of mine, and he's done very beautiful shows before, Section 365 or 366, which was a super duper successful show. So I knew deep down there was one more concept also which Amit is working on, and it's a fantabulous concept. So somewhere this concept and overall the entire storyline was very catchy to me, and I was like, okay, ये ना lame storyline नहीं है, इसमें कुछ तो there is some kind of mudda, there is some kind of storyline to it. So I just took it up as a challenge, and I just wanted to explore. My character reflects so as Tina, like I just said, as Tina and Neha, if you see, both are into fitness and both loves to work out. And so Neha की ज़िंदगी में जो कुछ भी होता है, it starts because of a personal trainer, and it starts with the gym, in the gym. So yeah, I mean, I will end up I will end up sharing a lot of storyline. So I think you need to watch the entire show to get an idea ki why it happens, what it happens. Like I said, I am not allowed to speak a lot about my character. Sorry about that. जैसे मैंने कहा है, शी इज़ अ मैरिड वुमन, एंड उसकी लाइफ में कुछ सिचुएशंस ऐसे होते हैं जिसकी वजह से उसकी लाइफ बहुत रोलर कोस्टर है, बहुत क्योटिक है. सो वो क्यों होता है, वो आप अगर सीरीज़ देखेंगे देन ओनली यू विल हैव एन आइडिया अबाउट इट. Okay, so I think I'm gonna be a great mother whenever I want to accept motherhood in my life. And like I said, I did not express my wish to be a single mother, but if there's a choice, I would definitely want to be a single mother. I don't mind adopting a child. I'm very, very open about it, like how Shushmita Sen has adopted 2 daughters, 2 beautiful daughters. I mean, there is no harm in adopting. जो हम हमेशा सोचते रहते हैं ना कि अपना ही खून होना चाहिए and all of that. I personally don't believe in that. I mean, my parents are also very vocal and open about it, and they have in spite of being a Bengali and from a small town, they don't have that mentality or that setback कि शादी करके ही अपना बच्चा करना है. I mean, my dad is very cool about it, that if tomorrow I want to have a child by surrogacy, or if I want to adopt a child, he will be very acceptable. My entire family will be very acceptable about it. यार, it's not necessarily कि, and आजकल के ज़माने में we all are very independent women. यार, हम अपने, मेरे खुद के अपने घर है, गाड़ी है, मैं अपना चूल्हा, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल सब मैं खुद अपने पैसों से करती हूँ, अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ मैं खुद ले सकती हूँ. So of course, if I can look after myself, I can look after my parents, I can look after my family, I can also look after a child. Not necessarily that I need to have a husband to look after it. और अगर मेरा ये mindset है कि हाँ मेरा पति ही सारा खर्चा उठाएगा और उसी वही बच्चे का देखभाल करेंगे और स्कूलिंग करेंगे, I think that's a wrong mindset. और ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Everybody should be independent. सोसाइटी हैज़ बीन एक्सेप्टेबल, ऑफ कोर्स येस, बट एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में ये ना हर चीज़ इतना आउट एंड लाउड होता है बिकॉज वी आर इन द शो बिजनेस, यू नो. सो हमारा कुछ भी होता है, सो यू नो इट जस्ट गोज़ वायरल एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. सो डेफिनेटली फिर लोगों को लगता है कि हाँ मतलब बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री पीपल हैव बीन सो एक्सेप्टेबल. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट, यू नो. अगर मेरे आउट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री भी बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स हैं हु इज़ अडॉप्टेड चाइल्ड एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट, बट दे आर नॉट वोकल अबाउट इट बिकॉज दे आर नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस इंडस्ट्री. हमारा कुछ भी होता है तो वो बहुत मतलब यू नो बाहर आ जाता है. सो ऐसे लोगों को लगता है, बट अदरवाइज या आई मीन अदरवाइज इट्स नॉट अबाउट ओनली द शो बिजनेस. आई थिंक एवरी वन अपार्ट फ्रॉम द इंडस्ट्री ऑल्सो हैज़ दिस माइंड सेट. बट अगेन इट्स लाइक 50-50, यू नो. कुछ लोग अलग सोचते हैं, कुछ लोग ऐसे ओपन माइंड सेट से हैं. So television, I want to be a part of shows which is more relatable to the audience, which audience can connect to, not something कि अचानक से एक फायर में चले गए और फिर वहाँ से सीधा चाँद पे पहुँच गए, जो आजकल बहुत सारे डेली सोप में दिखाते हैं. सो बिजार कॉन्सेप्ट्स विच ऑडियंस कान रिलेट टू. आई डोंट थिंक सो आई कैन इवन पोर्ट्रे दैट with conviction. So I want to do something which I am convinced of. Like this particular character I was very convinced of, so I can only portray and enact something that I am convinced of. So definitely I want something the television industry to also show. Like Uttaran was a super hit show because it was not only progressive but it was also relatable, you know. जे एक गरीब हाउस हेल्प का बच्चा, उसको कैसे ट्रीट किया जाता है, जो कि हमारे समाज में होता ही है. यू नो पीपल आर बीन लुक डाउन अपॉन अगर आपके पास ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं हैं या आप सक्सेसफुल नहीं हैं तो. सो आई थिंक ऑल दीज स्टोरीज आर वेरी रिलेटेबल टू द ऑडियंस. सो आई थिंक दैट रिलेटेबिलिटी इज़ अ मस्ट फैक्टर. Again, it's a long discussion, it's a debate actually, because अभी भी आप small towns में जाएंगे, villages में जाएंगे, गांव में जाएंगे, there are people जो ऐसे concept देखना पसंद करते हैं just for the sake of entertainment. And then there are this mass audience, you know, the tier 2, tier 3 or whatever, they have a different mindset और उनको अलग concepts देखने को अच्छा लगता है जिससे वो relate कर सकते हैं. And probably that is why a lot of people are watching web series, because that is a concept that they can relate to. So again, it's each to its own वाला zone है.